Oh, hey, you're home.
Don't talk to me right now.
Okay, okay.
I mean it.
I said okay. Oh, there's nothing new in there since this morning.
I know that.
Just checking.
Mrs. Alvarez asked me something today at pickup,
Okay,
and I said yes.
that's good?
I don't know what I said yes to.
Wait, what?
She was talking, fast, something about a form, a trip, maybe a museum, and she looked at me and she said, "Is that okay with you?" And
You said yes.
I said yes.
To what?
I don't know. That's the whole problem.
Oh, I see.
Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing.
You're laughing with your face.
That's not a real expression.
It's very real. I live with your face.
Okay, tell me again. Slow.
There's nothing to tell. She talked. I understood maybe 60%, and instead of asking her to repeat it, I just smiled and said yes.
Why didn't you ask her to repeat it?
Because there were 5 other parents behind me, waiting, and I felt everyone looking.
Nobody was looking.
You don't know that.
You're right. I don't.
So now I don't know if I signed her up for a school trip or, I don't know, a bake sale or something with money.
Could be worse.
How?
Could be a form for you to chaperone. In a bus. With 40 children.
Don't say that.
Can I have a snack?
Dinner's soon.
1 cracker.
Okay, here's one. She didn't even negotiate. She just took it.
She's 6. Nobody taught her to be embarrassed yet.
Must be nice.
See, that's the thing. Maya understands everything I say. Everything. And Mrs. Alvarez, I understand her too, mostly. Just not fast enough.
What do you mean, not fast enough?
She talks, and in my head, I'm still translating the first sentence, and she's already 3 sentences ahead. And by the time I understand what she said, she's already waiting for my answer.
So you just say yes.
So I just say yes.
I used to do that at the bank.
You did?
First year here, the man at the counter asked me something about a hold on a check. I didn't know what a hold was. I nodded. I said, sure. 3 days later, I had no money in my account, and I didn't know why.
You never told me that.
It's not a good story for me.
It's a great story for me.
Can I tell you what I figured out after the bank thing?
Go ahead.
I have gotten used to doing the same thing, that yes thing. So I dropped it and just stopped trying to understand everything. I just learned 1 sentence.
1 sentence.
Can you say that again, slower? That's it. I said it so many times it stopped feeling embarrassing. It just became my sentence, like a tool in my pocket.
I have 100 words in my head. I don't have that 1 sentence.
You know it, though. You just never used it out loud.
Say, it wasn't your voice shaking a little the first time.
It was shaking a lot.
You still don't use it, though.
What?
With the insurance man, 2 weeks ago, on the phone. You said, for 10 minutes and then hung up and asked me what he said.
That's a different situation.
Is it?
No, not really.
You teach me the sentence. You don't use it yourself.
Okay, that's fair too.
So tomorrow, what? I go back to Mrs. Alvarez and say, sorry, what did I agree to?
Why not?
Because I already said yes. It'll look strange.
It'll look like a person who's being careful. That's not strange. That's smart. Say it here first, with me.
Now?
Now, I'll be Mrs. Alvarez.
You don't sound anything like her.
Mrs. Riz, do you have a moment?
Stop.
I just wanted to confirm. Is that okay with you?
Sorry, can you say that again? Slower, please?
Good.
That's it?
That's it.
It felt so small, like it won't fix anything.
It is small. That's why it works.
That's not very comforting.
I'm not trying to comfort you. I'm trying to be honest.
I'm still going to feel weird tomorrow, walking up to her. What if it really was the bus, the trip? What if I have to go?
Probably. Then I guess we both go.
You're supposed to say I won't.
I don't want to lie to you. That's the whole trick. And by the way, nobody said it has to come out smooth.
Okay. Can you say that again, slower? I'll say it tomorrow. But what if I just say, can we talk again? I want to be sure I understood.
That's better than my sentence, actually. Mine sounds like I'm confused. Yours sounds like you're careful. That's different. Say it again.
Can we talk again? I want to be sure I understood.
Yeah, use that, not mine.
Okay, anyway, you know you have to call the insurance man again tomorrow too.
Don't remind me.
Use your sentence.
It's not my sentence anymore. You stole it and made it better. Okay, fine. I will probably call them tomorrow.